Hi everybody, so we're going to look at doing a design concept very briefly for this this project, and you'll have a box already on your page that you can use as a guideline. I'm just using a fine line pen with a bit of a rough sketch I did earlier, just so that you can actually see a little bit more clearly. So you've got a box, and that's going to be the outside of the bumper sticker. Again, what you've got provided for you on your A3 sheets is actually in proportion. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a border. So I'm just going to border my bumper sticker because I think that sets it off that little bit better. So I'm just sketching this in. You'll use your HB pencil, make it nice and easy. And just remember that you've got to think about your positive and negative space. So you've basically got two colours to use. You've got a background, blue, white, black, light dark blue, white or black acrylic, and the same with the foreground for the vinyl. So I'm just going to put in some guidelines here for my text. I already got in my mind what I'm going to write. I've planned this out. So there's some guidelines there to break it up. And I'm going to do a very simple slogan or motto that identifies the issue of litter on the beach. And again, if you plan this out in your own mind first, you'll have a good idea of what it is you want to actually say or what you want to communicate to people as part of this project. And like I say, the beauty of your HB pencil, of course, is that you can erase your errors. So on the beach, so like I've said, this is really about dropping litter or taking your litter home with you. Now, what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to fully complete this in this tutorial, but I'm basically writing on the beach, bin it. You'll put whatever suits your issue, your group issue, your little slogan or whatever. And I'm going to use a simple silhouetted image, so of somebody dropping a piece of waste paper or their litter or their rubbish or whatever into a trash can, into a waste bin. Now, like I've said, it depends very much what your issue is, and that's what you'll come up with your little slogan. So there we go. Now, remember what I've said. One colour for the background, one colour for this vinyl. So this would be in vinyl on the beach, bin it, and so on and so forth. So would my little person in the bin, as would that be. So this is our background, this, and this is the vinyl. And I'm just going to add a little bit of colour to this now. So I'm going to use this darker blue because I like this darker blue. That's I think that on white would look good. You could use black if you wanted, or you could use your lighter blue. But what I'm actually doing now is just I'm going to crisp this line up. And like I said, you've got boxes that are provided for you to give you an idea of the proportion. And the final box that you've got when you've developed your concepts, your design ideas, you'll find that that's actually the true size that you'll use. So I'm going to add some colour to this and finish it off, and then I'm going to do a very short tutorial that'll explain just how to annotate your design concepts, including a different range of sort of information. So that's just a brief tutorial on how to produce a design concept. Okay, so have a go at that. Thanks very much.